This is Naimatul Jannat for everyday. This is Naimatul Jannat. Like everyday, I'm here for practicing English, and my tendency of this practicing English and make video for everyday. That I will make full of confidence in my mind about English language. Most of the time I afraid we afraid to practice. We afraid that if we afraid because we think that if we make mistakes, if we talk any mistake grammar, then people will make fun of me. People will be laughing to me. So that's why we feel uneasy. We don't talk, we don't practice English. But if we want to practice, then obviously we will make mistake, because we are not fluent, we are not perfect in English. So mistakes will make me perfect one day, and that's why I don't care about my mistakes. But I always like to but I think that if our tendency is honest, if our tendency is not getting like and comments, if our tendency is not that we will be famous, then if my tendency is that I will be perfect in English, I will be fluent in English, and I will make full of confidence in my mind, then I will be success one day, and I will be able to fulfill my dream around my career and study. Tendency means a lot of things, and we have to keep ourselves honest in every stage. It's maybe it's about study, maybe it's about our personal life, maybe it's about helping others. Now I want to say about any other topic, helping others. When we was child, we read in our curriculum books, in our books, that we should help the poor. If we have the ability to help others, we should help the poor. But do you know that so many people like to show off about help others, and so many people know, a few people want to be famous, that's why they help the poor. And do you think that when we are helping others, we never should our tendency should be like that, as if the poor people can get help from us. So show off is not a good thing anymore. So that's why in every stage, in every plan in my life, I like to be honest. I want to be honest, and I try to keep myself honest in everything. As like, I will give an example. If I give an example that I am making a video, and the tendency is that I will practice in English. That's it. And Rajiv Ahmed sir said to me in the comment box on the below of my post video, that please make video every day in English for minimum 2 or 3 minutes. So my tendency is only practice in English. So I want to be, I never give focus on like comments. This is not my tendency. I never give priority to I never give priority about like and comment. So this is not the important things. Okay, now I will talk about my younger sister. That my younger sister is my best friend, and we love each other a lot of, and she's if she is uh, 20 up, but she is childish because she is my younger sister, and recently her birthday is in 11th August, and that's why she is too much excited about her birthday cake, about her birthday dress. All the time, every year in her birthday, she is very excited about her birthday plan, and I just love to her that still she is childish, and it gives me happiness. So thank you so much, Noma, today. Allah Hafiz, and pray for me that as if I will be fluent in English, and I will be an fulfilled honest man. I don't think that only money is important in our life. Also, we have to gather knowledge in our brain, and we have to be an honest person in our life, because honesty is the best policy. This honesty is the best policy. This is not a line. This is not only a line of our books. This is an important sentence in our life. We can get peace and happiness by make ourselves honest. And since my guideline, Rajiv Ahmed sir, he is an honest man, and I always follow my guideline. That's why I like to keep myself an honest. So, and I want to be industrious. What is my daily routine is, this is not a routine of industrial girls, and I have a bad habit that I sleep more. I feel tired more when I work hard. Then I tired and I go to sleep, and I like to take deep sleep. But this is not a good habit. This is very bad habit. And industrious people never get sleep for a long time. And yes, I want to remove my laziness. Okay, thank you so much. Good night. Allah Hafiz.